guys, it's your boy SpyFX and I'm back again, guys. So at no wasted on time, guys. This is day 2, guys, of learning Forex trading, guys. So this is day 2. So in day 2, guys, we are going to be linking our accounts, guys, to MetaTrader 5, guys. Remember, we created our real Forex trading account on day 1. Then on day 2, we are now linking that Forex trading account to MetaTrader 5. And how do we do it? So guys, watch this video and follow the same steps that I'll be doing, guys. So todzokera kwa account yedu yaya yatika create nezuro. As you can see, okay, it will refresh a page. So as you can see, this is the account that we created yesterday, guys. So we now want to link this account to MetaTrader 5. So how do you do it? Katangene kulinka demo, guys. So we switch to demo. Remember, you'll be under Traders App. So Traders App, just click these 3 lines, go into Traders App. Then per page Traders App. So guys, demo kudaro. How do you link your account to MetaTrader 5? So as you can see, triple option options and multipliers. So we switch to CFDs, guys. So as you can see, guys, my CFDs derive MT5, guys, derive MT5 accounts. So guys, these accounts ndo vura woma linkisa ku demo account. So let's click on derived demo. So guys, pane 2 more options. Pane yakanzi derived demo iri pekutanga, then koita yakanzi financial demo, koita yakanzi swap free demo, guys. So you can open any one, guys, kusara kwe financial demo. So ini now choose this one iri pekutanga. So guys, create a derive MT5 password, guys. So ini ndakwisa password yangu yatozo hata ndizokanganwi kana chidoloka ku MT5. So let me just paste my password. So as you can see, ndoba plans create derive MT5 password. So as you can see, guys, congratulations, you have successfully created your demo derive MT5 account. In order to continue, guys. So as you can see, that only $10,000 USD fake money, guys. You practice now. You fake money, you practice now because it's a demo account. So guys, ngati patango vurashi ne account ye real account 2000 link aka 1. So to switch atoenda pakanzi real. So pa real again, nkuona the same page akanzi derive MT5. Then I click on get. Then guys, per your account, guys, pane 3 more options. So isusu we are going to be using this one iripe kutanga ichi ndo yatinoclicka tikangoclicka chibox icho chichi, as you can see icho zvato highlightika ndo chatinoclicka chiripe kutanga chakanzi send Vincent, guys. Then you click on next. So whereby create your MT5 password, guys. So ini ndakuisa MT5 password yangu again, then I paste, then I click on add account. So as you can see, guys, this is a real account. Yakutudza kuti transfer now, kuti ndoda transfer mari MT5 kwangu izvezve or later. So we'll do it next time. So I'll click maybe later. So as you can see, this is a real account and there's 00 USD kuratidza kuti hamuna mari yataisa, guys. So you see the difference between demo and real account. Demo unopiwa 10,000 yekupractice nayo, then real account 00 unongoisa your real money. So how do we link this account now to MT5, guys? To link this account to MT5, guys, just click on open. So what click up on open, guys, you are going to see my details are repo. My details panapakanzi broker, guys. As you can see, broker. So our broker iderive munakakubvunza iwewe since you are a beginner, munakakubvunza kuti what is a broker rako ichi, unongomza kuti broker rangu randoshandisa ndiderive. So broker rangu act as a bank, kuti like munakabvunza kuti bank raunoshandisa nderive kuti ECBZ, ENMB, whatever. So forex trading mabanks edu tinona derive, wana XNS, wana just markets akawandisa, but isusu we are using derive. So derive is our broker. So then toenda pakanzi saver rakanzi derive SVG saver 2, as you can see. So pa login ID pane number yakanzi login ID. Let's click ka page yako, then we copy that number because tichada kuzoishandisa. So what you do now is you go to your MT5 guys. Now let's open our MetaTrader 5. So uchitanga over MetaTrader 5 ichakuudza this message yakanzi welcome, just click on accept guys. Then open a demo, just close this table, unongobayaka X apo guys, ubayaka X. So inokuendesa pa this page, you see. So maybe as per this page or tripa panapa, let's say click back button, so pane pangori blank pakadai so. So iwewe zvauchaita you just click on pakanzi quotes up padenga pa 3 lines up quotes, then click on get started guys. So taklicka panzi get started papabuda pana pakanzi accounts, then to click ka add button ka plus aka, then we click add account. So guys muri kuona pakanzi find broker, hapana broker ripo so far. So let's see do this to switch my tabs. As you can see pakanzi broker apapo pa derive broker pakanzi derive SVG LCC. So let's go and search that broker here. So let's type in derive, right? So guys now type out derive chat. See pane ma derive accounts, pane derive BVI Ltd, derive FX. Isusu rabuda pata search the rakanzi derive SVG LCC guys, mazviona. So we click on that one. So papanzi login guys, login. So takuitisa login ID yedu ya iyo yatakopa yakanzi 10 12 73 781. So takupesta that number panapa tataikopa kudhara. Then password, twisa password yedu yechi MT5 again guys. So password yaunenge create papa yapo wavhura account ye MT5. So indakupesta password yangu panapa. So I'll be covering this for the sake of secure my info. So guys, saver, remember this is a real account. So saver pakanzi pasaver pedu pakanzi derive SVG saver 2. So let's click arrow derive SVG saver 2. So ta click now click on login guys. As you can see guys, we are logged in guys. So we are now logged in guys. Pakubuda pakanzi quotes, tikabaya pakanzi charts parubudo zvima lines zvered, then tikabaya pakanzi trade paru balance pane 0 kuratidza kuti iriyo account hamuna mari irimo. Ende real account kazhinji kacho inenge ne this credit card padenga kakaita ka credit card aka. So tikaenda pakanzi history inongoti show kuti nhasi taita profit yemari, taita deposit yemari, swaps and commissions. Then izvi ndo zvatichizokudzidzisai guys, ndo zvatinenge chizokudzidzisai kuti totrader sei guys. So we have linked our real account to MetaTrader 5 guys, as you can see. So takubaya pakanzi manage account. We now want to add a demo account guys. So we go back to our broker. So guys, tadzokera back to our broker guys, and we click on demo. We now want to link the demo account guys. Tongogara tazvilinka zvese kuti tisazoconfusika. So we click pakanzi real up, just like this. Pobuda pakanzi real and demo, is to click kakanzi demo ako, so that ichi inotiendesa kudemo account wedu. So taenda pakanzi demo 3 pakanzi options and multipliers. So we switch to CFDs. Tongobaya pakanzi CFDs up. Then we switch to CFDs. Then we click on open guys. To click pakanzi open kuti tuwane ma details edu achashandisa kuloga in. So toda loga in demo. So guys muri kuona zvakanyorwa apa pakanzi broker rakanzi derive.com limited. Harisisi nonzi derive SVG, rakanzi derive.com limited because ndo ma details andikapiwa. Ma details anosiyana. Iwe pa account yako unogonawo pakatonzi derive limited or derive BVG, I mean whatever. Zvinosiyana nekuti wapiwa saver ripiwo pa derive. So ini ndo ndapiwa rakanzi derive limited, derive.com limited ndo broker rangu. Then saver is derive demo. Login ID, we copy the login ID. Then we go back to our MetaTrader 5 guys. Now tenda pa MetaTrader 5 yedu, we click ka icon ka add, as you can see. So to search a derive.com limited, derive, so pabuda maderive. So derive.com limited guys, ndo broker redu ratapiwa. Then we click on derive.com limited. As you can see now, toisa login id yedu pana yatakopa, then password, toisa password yedu tuiziwa, iyo ngoiziwa password yako. So copy my details angu because wangoitwa zwati makakwana. So saver guys, our saver, let's check our saver. Saver redu kanzi derive demo guys. So even tikado switch apana mama saver ningaripo, wana saver wana ndo masave manga ningaripo, derive demo, derive saver 2, derive saver 3. It's also ready derive demo because we want to log in with demo account guys. Then we click on login guys. As you can see, our demo account is being added guys. So as you can see, tikaenda pakanzi codes mapezi edu ari kufamba, tikaenda pakanzi charts guys, tikuona aya ndo anenge achinzi macandlesticks guys. Ukanzwa munhu achiti macandlesticks ndo acho anenge achitaurwa guys, ndo macandlesticks. Tikaenda pakanzi trade, tikuona kuti tine $10,000 guys yekupractice nayo, real fake money guys. Then tikabaya pakanzi history guys, we can see kuti deposit, tine deposit $10,000 ya deposit kwa account kwedu. Then yeah, profit 00 because at no trader. Then pakanzi messages pana basa, pana panenge kudzoma updates and stuff. Yeah, so we've linked guys our MetaTrader 5 to our real account. And I want you to notice one thing guys, pa demo account you can see apana ka credit card kake kangashitaura kuti it's fake account, you can't withdraw on a demo. So apana withdraw credit card. This is how we link our broker to MetaTrader 5 guys. So guys, in the next video, day 3 on learning forex trading, we'll be explaining this platform guys. But no shanda say how do you place my trades, how do you put my stop losses in stuff. Did you analyze a MetaTrader 5? How do you transfer money from your broker to MetaTrader 5? And how do you withdraw that money again? So guys, my videos I teach you on upload on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe guys. Remember, teach you with real favor to create my stuff at you this for free guys. So as a token of appreciation, go subscribe or go like or see a positive comment guys, so that we keep on going guys, go create a positive vibes. So guys, this is your boy Forex signing out.